Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to install this wig. I know it's been a long time, and apologies for not being as consistent as I would love to. If you watched my last video, you know that, like I said, a lot of things has happened. A lot of things have changed, and I said I was gonna come here and give an update, but can you imagine? I've not had time to do that. That's really sad, but I really want to do it. Like, I feel so sad knowing that I've not been able to post videos and do hair tutorials. There's so many styles I still want to try as well, and also I know I've done a lot of hairstyles, but I want to try a lot more. And I cut my hair really short. I would have loved to like go through the journey with you guys, because you guys started this with me 10 years ago, like seriously. But I will try my best. I will try my best. A lot has happened. I'm working full time, looking after my family, and everything is just crazy. But I will try my best because I really want to. I really enjoy making videos. But anyways, yeah. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful wig. This wig is from Hergive Hair company. If you know me, you know I've worked with them a lot. They have great quality hair, especially for natural hair like ours. So I just want to show you guys how I was able to install this wig in just less than 3 minutes or 2 minutes, if I'm not I don't want to exaggerate, but it was really quick. Like, it's just, you get it from the box and you put it on. Like, it's bye bye leave out. Like, that's the name of the wig. Bye bye leave out. Can you imagine? It's really bye bye leave out, because I didn't leave my natural hair out. I know a lot of us don't like leaving our natural hair out, especially when we want to do a protective style. When we want to do a protective style, we want it to protect all our hair. So this is the great wig to go for, and it's perfect for the weather anyway, for the winter. Those that have winter at the moment. We're actually in fall. We're going into winter soon, but I think that I'm going to be wearing this a lot because it keeps my ears warm, honestly. But yeah, I'm loving the wig. It's really easy to install. It's just from the box and off you go to your head. I know that some people do stuff to the wig. The T part, it has a very thin part. So I see some people doing things to it before putting it on. I decided not to do anything to it. I just got it from the box and wore it. I just wanted to, at least that is why they say bye bye leave out. I just don't want to customize it in any way. And yeah, it actually worked. The only thing I did was, after wearing it, I just fluffed the pattern out a little bit. So it's something that's optional if you want to do to get this look, to make it look. I don't want the part to be so in your face, so that's why I did it. And this is a versatile wig. You can actually do like a side pattern with it as well. You can move it to the side, move it to the other side. You can do whatever you like with it, and it's a great quality wig. So you just have to follow the guide. There's a guide that comes with the wig, and you have to follow the guide to make sure that you take good care of it, just like your natural hair. And yes, like seriously, I've really missed doing videos here. I know some of you have been reaching out to me on Instagram and just wanted to be sure that everything is okay. Everything is fine. And thank you so much for checking on me. I really appreciate it. And let me tell you, I do miss making videos, because I started this 10 years ago because I really enjoyed it. And it's just that I went to uni, finished, got a job, started working full time, and then also looking after my family, and it's just so hard to get the time. I only have the weekend, and it's so hard to get the time to just film and edit and upload, and it hurts because I really enjoy doing it. But I'm gonna find a way. Because there's so many ideas I have, and I feel like I've evolved, I've changed, I've grown as a person, and I just want to try different things. Like, why not? So as always, I'm going to put the link of this wig in the description box below, and the specification of the wig as well. I'm going to put everything for you guys in the description box below. If you're interested, you can go ahead and check it out if it's something you like. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. So guys, I'm going to show you guys what the packaging looks like.
What you gonna do when it crumbles down? Watch it get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn till we almost drown? Higher, goodbye, honey, where do we lie? Where you're headed, am I going there too? I don't wanna ask
Hi guys. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this at the moment. So to give you more information on this wig, it's the Bye Bye Leave Out Thin Part wig. It is a very very tiny part. As you guys can see, it's really tiny, like so. So the goal here is to install this wig without a leave out. Normally, if you want to have like a leave out, it's totally fine as well. But the goal for me for this video is to install this because the name of this wig is Bye Bye Leave Out. So I'm not expecting us to have any leave out on this wig. So just stay tuned. Let's see how it's going to look like. But the great thing about it is so versatile. So you can do a middle part, a side part, anyhow you want it. That is the great thing about this wig. And I know that a lot of us struggle with leave out because I don't have a leave out. My hair is really short at the moment. Not that I can't do a leave out, I can do a leave out, but I don't want to do a leave out. I just want to be able to utilize this wig without a leave out. So I'm curious to see what it's going to look like. So in order to put it on, I won't bother so much about making my parting very clear because I want it to look as natural as it possibly can look. So what I'm going to do is to open the clips. As you can see, we have 5 total clips here just to keep it very secured wherever, whatever parting style you've chosen to do. So I'm gonna just open the clips and then install the wig. So with this wig, I see a lot of people doing a lot of different things before installing the wig, but I just want to install the wig. This is the first time I'm installing the wig. I want to install it just out of the box without doing much customization because I know I can actually customize it to give it like a more natural look, but just out of the box. Let's put it on and see what it looks like. Let me just adjust this. For my wig, I got a medium size cap for my wig, in case if you're wondering. So you guys can see I've not done the second part, which I'm going to be doing soon, but oh my god, let me just tell you, like, this is incredible. Like, honestly, I can't believe that you can actually just bring out a wig from the pack and just put it on, because I know that with the leave out, a lot of people have issues with their hair, their natural hair drying out, or maybe not blending properly, or they just don't want their hair out. They just want a protective style. And to be honest, this is absolutely fantastic. The fact that I can just put it on and I'm off. Like you can see, you just braid your cornrow your hair and just put it on, and it's just insane. Like, look at it. You see the natural, the way it looks, so natural. Let me tell you, all these years we've done so many things in terms of trying to use leave out. You know, normally we have the V part, leave out and everything, and we've tried doing crochet. Like, we've tried so many tricks just to give it natural parting, but nothing looks as good as this. Absolutely not. And the fact that you just do it, just bringing the hair out from the box and putting it on, like, it's insane. Like, look at, so it's out there like this, and then you put it, you know, you put it in, and it looks absolutely natural. Okay, so this is really incredible. I'm gonna go ahead and put on this one now. So you guys can see I've been able to clip them, you know, clip the both of them up, and as you can see, the parts is so tiny and so natural looking. Like, let me see. So this is the part. So even if we want to fluff it out a little bit, we can just, which I don't think is really that necessary, honestly, you know. So just to give it a little bit of fluff, just though I don't think it's that necessary, but even if you want to make it look like, you know, as if the hairline is not too sharp, you can just do it like this, you know. Like, this is just totally amazing. It is, the fact that I can just wear this and go is amazing, honestly, you know. And I've not even come to the curls yet, but I'm just focused on the pattern. It looks so natural. And if you want to do like a side part, you can definitely do that. This is a versatile wig, and this is a great quality wig. Like, as you can see, the curls are so beautiful and amazing. I'm just gonna see how I can style the curl a little bit, loosen it a little bit, and see what I can do with it. But I really love it. Just gonna spray a little bit of water. I like the curls on the wig already. It looks really good. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of water and then a little bit of oil, just to give it a bit of shine. I know some people don't like it. They like to have their wig look a bit more natural, kind of, you know, that kind of look. But I just wanted to have just a bit of shine popping. This is totally optional. You don't have to do it, but this is just my preference. Okay, this is a great quality wig. So if you want to take care of it, you can wash it and everything, condition it and all that. Just treat it like you would treat your natural hair. Okay, if you want to take care of it, definitely look at the instructions in the guide, in the pack of the wig. That definitely get it with every wig. Okay, to be able to take care of this wig, to maintain it for longevity, so that it will last very well for you. But it's a great quality wig. So if there's anything you want to trim out, you just go ahead and trim out. I'm just going to trim out a little bit, not too much. You can even just put it in yourself if you want it to be a bit more fuller, because I know some people love their wigs to be very full. You can definitely do that as well. You can just fluff it out if you want. You can just customize and style it the way you want, honestly, with this wig. And yes, guys, the main thing for me with this wig is just the fact that you can wear it so quickly and you don't have to leave your natural hair out. It's a great protective style, especially for the winter. We're going into the winter, we want to wear something to protect our hair, our natural hair, and also to come out from the cold as well. Like, seriously, this actually feels so warm, honestly. And the curls on this wig, let me just take a moment to tell you, the curls are really popping. Like, the curls are coiling. It's not even an English, you know. It's really nice. I really love it. Guys, this is the final look. I really love this wig. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.